Hey everyone, Justin Russell with RussellMarineProducts.com. If you've received a new Active Target 2 and went to install it and power everything and gotten this, where it says no source, we have the fix for you. All right guys, so this is pretty simple. I don't know why it does this, but we've only seen this issue so far if you've had an Active Target 1 and go to install an Active Target 2 module and transducer on your boat. It's almost like we've got to wipe the unit and just basically erase that it ever knew an Active Target 1 was plugged into the system. So to fix this issue is really, really simple. All we're gonna do here, we're gonna come over here, hit our Pages button, go to Settings, go down to System, see where it says Restore Defaults. We're gonna select Restore Defaults. We're gonna leave everything checked that's on there, and we're not going to check anything that isn't. So I'm not deleting the waypoints, not deleting the trails, okay? Not deleting device registration. Okay, leave all that unchecked, click OK. We're restarting the unit now. When this comes up, we should be able to go to our Active Target, and it's gonna take a little while. We're gonna start retail mode, no, configure, go through the configuration here. Active Target features have been enabled. We're going to select OK, finish. Go to our Active Target, go ahead and configure freshwater, finish. Go to our forward mode, and we're now reading properly. So again, guys, super easy to do. Understand it can be frustrating. Again, we've only seen this issue when people have had an Active Target 1 system previously installed on their units, and now they go install the Active Target 2. So hopes this helped you guys out. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. We got a ton more videos just like this coming your way.
Are you tired of your old marine electronics? At R&P, we make trade-in easy. 3 steps. Step 1, shoot us an email, get a quote. Step 2, send us your old unit and get credit. Step 3, get your brand new unit and get installed on your boat today.